Anything you say, you can defend that. You a real bad girl when no take back chat. And anything you say, you can defend that. True. No girl can style you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a quick video. Well, it's kind of lengthy, but it is about the Saviland dipping powder. And so I will be doing some swatches and reviewing this. So as you guys can see, I do have another box under here, and that is from Saviland. But that one is a glow in the dark, so I will be making a separate video for that one. So today we're just going to be focusing on the dipping powders. And so the dipping powders, I got this from Amazon, and it was about $25.99. But I will be adding the link at the bottom in the description box, so you guys can be able to order yours if you guys like this. And I really like the packaging because black is my favorite color. So yeah, that really got me. So yeah, the packaging off rip, I really love it. I can say that these are about 0.34 or 35 grams. So they are a bit small, but they are really, really good. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first swatch, and I am going in order so I don't be all over the place with my dipping powders. And dipping powders, what I like about it first, I would say that it is able to be used with monomer. So you're able to use dipping powders with monomer, and that's what I really like about the dipping powder because it is very versatile. And so the first one, it is called Green Glitter. And so I am going to go ahead and open this so I can show you guys the powder. So one of the things that I really like about this is that it has a lot of glitter in it. So when you do pick up a little bit, it is actually a lot. So a little it goes a long way, trust me. So you won't really have to use too much of this, but this green is very pigmented, and you can see the glitter is very nice and bright. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. So this is number 2. So this one is called Queen. And so this powder right here, it has kind of like a pinkish type of thing going on. But I noticed that all of them are clear base with the acrylic or the dipping powder. But it is just a finer acrylic. But this one has kind of like a pink type of hue. So I believe the glitters are kind of like a pink with some purples in there. So this one I actually really like because it's giving me Barbie vibes. So I really like this one. Open up, open up, open, open. Okay, so this is dipping powder number 3. So this one is called C as in SEA. And so this one, it is like the C. So when I opened this one, I was really, really happy with this one because, like I said, it is packed with glitter. They don't skimp out on the glitter, y'all. So that's what I really like about this. They do not skimp out on the glitter. So yeah, this one, it has more of a blue to it. So it is still giving me like the clear base vibes because I don't really see like any colored acrylic. I just see really like a clear base. but this one is like a light blue, and so it is kind of like the sea. So I really like this one, but this is not the one that I have on my nails. Actually, I'm going to show you guys later on in the video which one I had put on my nails that I have currently on. But this one, I really like this one. I like all of them. I ain't gonna lie, I like all of them.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Okay, y'all. So this is dipping powder number 4. So this one is called Glitter Beach. Wait, I'm sorry, Glitter Black. Glitter Black, not Glitter Bleach. I don't know why I wrote that down. But yeah, this is called Glitter Black. So with this one, so y'all know my favorite color is black. I wear all black every day, okay? So this one, I can definitely could tell that even though the base is black, they put a lot of black glitter in here with some silver, some blue, like a little bit of blue, but it still have the glitter vibes going on. So this one, the black is a little bit pigmented, but I can tell it still has that clear acrylic base.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
Okay, y'all, so we're halfway through this. We're halfway through. So this is number 5. Now this one is called Glitter Purple. And so it is more of a purple color, but I didn't see that it had too much purple going on. It still gave me like a pink type of color, like Barbie vibes, like the second one. But this one, it is called Glitter Purple, and it does have more purple glitters rather than the acrylic being kind of pink. So yeah, I can tell that this one is giving me more of a pink type of color, but I may be colorblind. So y'all let me know in the comments if y'all see purple or pink. But this one, it is actually a really nice color as well.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open.
So moving on to dipping powder number 6. So this one is called Gold. So this one right here, it is more of a gold and silver type of color, but you will see the gold shows. So like I said, most of them do have a clear base, but the thing that I like about this acrylic dipping powder, because I'm using it with the monomer, but one thing that I can say about this dipping powder, that even though most of the bases are clear, due to it being a finer acrylic, because that's what dipping powder is, just a finer acrylic, you're able to see the color more. So the glitters, they actually show really, really well.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN.
So one of the things that I like that Saviland did in this packaging, they added 2 cover colors. So this one is called Barbie Pink. So what I really like that that they added the cover colors. So if you're trying to do an ombre, you're able to do an ombre with just this set right here. So you're able to use the glitter, and then at the top or the bottom use the cover color. So this one is called Barbie Pink, and I really, really like this one. I think this one would go well with the dipping powder number 2, which is called Queen. So yeah, this one is really, really beautiful.
You OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's open. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions.
So the next dipping powder that I have here, this one is called Space, S-P-A-C-E, Space. And so it has more of a silver, but a little bit of blue glitter in there, but mostly silver. So most likely I will be doing a full set with this one because I really like glitter powders. So this one really caught my attention.
Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you
Okay, so this right here is the second cover powder that they added in the packaging. And this one is called Nude, N-U-D-E, Nude. So this one wasn't really a favorite of mine. I think this is the only dipping powder that I didn't really like in this packaging. But some people, they actually do like the nude cover color. But I'm more of the pink cover color fan. But this one, it applied really, really well. So most likely I will be using this on a ombre type of set. But yeah, this one is actually really good as well. Okay, so I almost forgot about this one, but this is the one that I actually had used on my nails. And these are the sets that I have now, so I will be showing you guys. And this one is called Holiday. So I used this on my Christmas set. So as you guys can see, this has like the glow in the dark spirals. And so I will be reviewing that in another video, the Saviland glow in the dark acrylic. But this is the one called Holiday. And so it's more of a blue and silver type of acrylic, but it's more kind of pigmented towards the blue. But they all have like a clear base. But this one is really, really nice. It's so cute, y'all. Y'all see all my nails? That thing is popping. Okay, period, poo.
Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
Okay, so these are all of the acrylic powders, well, dipping powders, but I did use it with monomer rather than I used it with the resin. But yeah, these are all beautiful and they are compatible with monomers, so you are able to use these powders with monomer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.